Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm Melanie from Streamlined Legal, where we help attorneys streamline their processes so that they can focus on growth. And today I want to join you to talk to you a little bit about following up with people that didn't hire you. Now, I had my practice for 12 years, and at the beginning it was very hard to get the motivation to try and contact people that had said no or did not want to hire you, or I should say that didn't respond to my advances. So I thought I'd talk about that today because I know that it can be a tough conversation to try and call someone up and say, you know, are you still interested? I haven't heard from you in a while. What's going on? Sometimes it's hard to find that motivation. And so I thought I would go ahead and talk about that today so that I could share with you some tips and some things that have helped me along the way. And the number one thing I will tell you is that the number one reason that I was able to start doing that and motivate myself and motivate my team to be able to do that was that the reality is, unless they said to you, I do not want to hire you, maybe you just lost touch over email, maybe you just stopped corresponding, they didn't respond, you never followed up. Those are the situations where we don't know the answer. They may actually want to hire you. Maybe their cat died and they couldn't return your email, and by the time they got back to it, they had forgotten. Maybe, you know, there's a million different reasons why people don't respond, and to assume that it's because they don't want to hire you, I think does a disservice to your practice and to them, because maybe they still need the help and for whatever other reason have lost track of communicating. So the number one reason why you want to follow up with people that are not responding or didn't hire you yet is because they still may hire you. For me, it was thinking about it as if I was just leaving money on the table. I mean, if they haven't responded and they do want to hire me, then it could be that I'm going to call them up and all of a sudden have hundreds or thousands of more, dollars of more business that I wasn't even anticipating. So, number one reason, they still may hire you, you still may make a lot of money and help them. So definitely that's a number one reason to follow up with people that haven't hired or you've lost track with. The number two reason is because you really do want to find out why they didn't hire you. And while that could be a difficult conversation depending on the reason, if you don't know, you can't improve it, right? So if there are things that you're doing in your marketing or things that you're doing in your sales that are not effective, that's what you want to know about so you can change it, so you can fix it, so you can grow and get better and get more clients. If you just live in ignorant bliss, as I will say, it won't be so blissful when they're not hiring you. So definitely that's a great reason to follow up with people that haven't responded to any of your marketing or any of your emails or phone calls. And then number three, they could be clients in the future. You know, maybe they don't have a need for an attorney right now, but maybe 6 months from now, a year from now, they think about it and now they want to hire someone and they start looking and you're top of mind. Or they can also become a referral source. So they may think about you when their friends talk about needing an attorney. So another good reason to go ahead and reach out to those people that maybe didn't hire you to make great referral sources or future clients. So there you have it. 3 reasons that you hopefully will motivate you to get up and make those calls, send out those emails, and reach out to those people that didn't hire you. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Melanie from Streamlined Legal, and I'll talk to you soon.